welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you arithmetic operations in Python. For example, if you can add a number, if you can subtract a number, if you can multiply them, and so on. Let us print parenthesis 10 plus 3. Okay, just wait a minute. I will just copy this and paste it over here. Just few seconds, I will explain these all. Just I will change the signers here. This is subtraction, this is multiplication, this is division with single slash, this is division with double slash, and this is exponent or okay, exponent I will explain next. This is modulus. Okay, modulus, and one more will be there, that is, and that's name will goes to asterisk symbol. Asterisk symbol means it will indicate the exponent operator. Okay, these are the operators in the Python. Let me explain with execute this code, then I will going to explain. Okay, subtraction, 10 plus 3, what is the result? 13. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 into 3, 13. Okay, division, we have two types of division. Suppose if you can use single slash division, it will going to print floating point number. Suppose if you can use double slash division, it will going to print 3. I mean whole number it will going to print. Suppose if you can use 10 modulus 3, it will going to print the remainder of the result. It will going to print remainder. 10 modulus 3 means the result is 1. Okay, 10 double asterisk means what it shows? It will shows the exponent operator. 10 to the power of 3, what is the result? The 1000 is the result. Okay, this is how we are going to use arithmetic operations in Python. And one more operations or operators will be there, that is augmented assignment operator. Let me explain with an example. Just you can use a variable called x assign symbol. Just I will show you how it is. Then 3. Just we are going to increment the value 3 here. X equals to x. Just show here x plus 3. Sorry, it will going to print suppose I will use 10 here, what it shows. Okay, then I will print add parenthesis, then inside parenthesis we are going to write variable called x. Okay, let me run this code. What is the result? You can see. Okay, this is our result. Okay, see here, it is visible or not? I think you people are going to visible. X plus 3 means 3 plus 10, it means 13. It will going to print. Instead of this code, I will going to write less code. I will show here, look at, just I will erase it. Just I will show you how it is. Equal. Okay, instead of that code we are going to write this kind of code. It will going to increment our value. Suppose I will show you how what was the result of like this. Okay, see here, our output is this is. There is any changes in the result? No, right? Instead of that code we are going to write this code. Okay, this is how we are going to use arithmetic operators in Python. Okay, let me stop here. Bye bye, take care.